How to make your Instagram account private. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from Geek, and in this guide video I will show you the way on how you can actually make your Instagram account private. But before we get started with this video, if you are new to our channel, to make sure to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and without any further ado, let's get started with today's video. Now first things first, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Instagram app to the latest version. You can do this by heading over to your device's respective app stores. In the search box, typing in Instagram and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Instagram app, what I want you to do is to just go over and then open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. The very first thing we're going to do is to simply tap on the profile icon in order to come to our profile page. Keep in mind that you cannot make your account private if you have a professional account. So if you have a professional or business account and you want to make your account private, you're going to lose all of the data and you're going to lose all of the insights which you ever had on a business account. So in order to switch to private account, you have to make your account personal. And in order to do that, just tap on the three horizontal lines which you see on the very top right corner of the screen. As soon as you do that, you'll find this pop-up menu settings and just go to the option in this gear icon that says settings. As soon as you go to settings again, you'll be able to see a list of these various options. At the fourth option, you can see this log icon which says privacy, and if you don't find it, you can also simply use the search box at the very top. Go ahead and then simply select privacy. Once you've done that, you can see the toggle called private account, and in order to make your account private on Instagram, all you have to do is to simply turn on this toggle right next to the Instagram app, and as you can see, now it says business accounts can't be private. So as I said to you earlier, if you want to make your account private, you need to switch to personal accounts. So just go ahead and do that first. Now what I will do is I will just come back and then I will go to accounts. I will scroll down, I will select switch account type, and then I will select switch to personal account. Once you switch to personal account, keep in mind that you're going to lose all of the data which you had on your business account. Now once you've switched to personal, go ahead and then refresh the Instagram application. And as soon as you've refreshed the Instagram application, now go to privacy, and now you can just go ahead and make a private account. And this is how you can make your account private on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.